Today we're going to go through how to use the calculator to find area under a normal curve and to find a point along the bottom of a normal curve. So with this problem, Mr. Naske drives to school. The times follow a mean of 15 minutes and a standard deviation of 1 minute. First one, we want what percent of the time does Mr. Naske make it to school in less than 13.5 minutes. Whenever you're doing a normal curve problem, draw a picture. So we know the mean is at 15, the normal curve 15, the standard deviation of 1. And we want what percent of the time does Mr. Naske make it to school in less than 13.5 minutes. So label 13.5, and we want less than that. So that's the area we're looking for. So to find area under a normal curve, you're going to go to the distribution menu on your calculator. To get there, hit second and vars. If you see the blue right above, it says distribution. So second vars gets you to that. Then you want to go to normal CDF, the second one down, and click enter. Now the lower bound for our area is a really, really small number. As you can see, they put -1 times 10 to the -99th, -1e99. So very, very small number. The upper bound for our area, we want to be over here where the cutoff is 13.5. The mean in our problem is 15. And the standard deviation is already set at 1. If we hit enter, we get out a value. So we got out 0.067. So that tells us that about 6.7% of the times are less than 13.5 minutes. Now, the next part, what time would give you the 92nd percentile of Mr. Naske's time? So again, draw a picture. The mean is at 15, standard deviation is 1. We want now the value along the bottom, 92% of the area is below it. To do that, you're going to use the same menu on your calculator. So second vars is going to get you into the distribution menu. But now this time you want to use inverse norm. Some of your calculators will have this option, some of them will not. If you have this option, it makes some problems easier. If you do not have this option, the tail is always going to be left. So this one, our area is to the left, so we don't have to change that. The area there is 0.92, 92% of the area. The mean is 15. The standard deviation is 1. So that tells us then that this point is 16.4 roughly. So 92% of the data falls below 16.4 minutes. So those are the normal CDF and inverse norm functions on your calculator.